guys, and welcome back to our channel. As you know, you've probably watched the vlog and you could see that we're in my sister's house that she bought, and Tua and her sister have been helping my sister as well as myself clean up this whole mess because an old grandma used to live here and just grandma land in here. But anyways, we're going to do a challenge. We just come up with a last minute challenge to do, and we're going to do guess the age challenge. So it's only a 5-minute video, but we've got 10 seconds to guess their age. So the first one is this one. I think she's 14.
14.
No, 15.
14.
Ah! Oh, she's 12. No, 14.
And she's 12.
Okay.
She's 11 actually. 14.
Yeah! 1-1. Oh, she's 16.
15.
Yeah, she's 16. What? Okay, she is 19 years old.
She's 20.
What? Okay, he's definitely 9.
15.
No, 13. Oh, come on, these 10 seconds take too long. How much did I say? 13? I was closest. Oh, she's an actor. She's 19.
She's 16. You're getting these all wrong.
20. I was closest. Oh, she's old. That's an Olsen, isn't it?
She's 22.
No, she like 27. 27 or 28.
24.
Oh god. Really? Oh my gosh.
She's 15.
17. She's 15?
She's 14.
I was closer. Oh, I got 15! I said 15, didn't I? Okay, he's 18.
He's 18. I get it wrong. 16.
Can they give us some older people? Gosh. He looks 12.
12 years old.
15.
12.
Siaosi reckons 12. Siaosi just joined last minute.
20.
What? As if.
It looks like my B.
21.
18.
18. She looks 19. 16.
Okay, so Asians, this is a tricky one because Asians always look younger.
20 years old.
No. She is 13. 13.
20.
15.
Oh, I was closest.
No.
She's 14.
E.
Oh my gosh. 15. Are you in the video or not?
15.
Let's step back.
16. I got it right.
Yeah, you saw it. Okay, this is the hardest round, apparently. He's 21.
He's 20.
22.
Yeah, but me. 19.
Oh, I was close. She's 15. 16.
17.
She's
16.
17.
16. 16.
17. 21.
Yo, she got lip injections.
15.
I got it right. What did I say?
No, you said
Yeah,
14.
you said. She looks 20.
No, she
22.
17.
14. What?
No, they are racist to 17-year-olds. I've not seen a 17-year-old here. Just, you can't just join and then leave. Oh, she's 17.
She's 16. 16.
3.
31. Oh my gosh. She's so old. gosh, okay, she is 48.
52.
She's 50.
No, she's only 30, 35.
That can't be. That
No, this is a trick question, it's a trick question.
13 years old.
No.
Liar.
That's rigged.
The double
21.
makes her look old.
No, he's 15.
21.
She's 15. 27.
Looks like Ed Sheeran. Okay, she's like 18. She looks old, but
She's 12.
it's a tricky one.
She's 27.
12 years old.
Oh,
51.
Oh, girl. Oh, she's cute. She's 13.
She's 4 years old.
She's not 4.
She's 11.
She's not 4, honey.
4.
No, she's 12.
9.
What? That is a lie.
They're lying now.
Yes, we won. Yes, we won. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching our video. That's our Guess the Age challenge. That was our Guess the Age challenge. Thank you for watching. If you want us to do more challenges, this one was just a last minute one. We didn't have any props, but comment down below what challenges you would like us to do and we'll do them. Okay, we'll consider it, but we'll probably will do them. Anyways, stay tuned for the next video. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below. Give us some feedback. We love you guys. SB Squad out.